What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be unboxing and installing the Aerofabb side splitters on my MK7 GTI. Let's do it. I've seen other local VWs running these side splitters and I really like them. That's why I went to the Aerofabb website and I purchased them. And actually right now they're running a very good deal, so go check them out. Now let's talk about the unboxing and the quality of the packaging. I've purchased many aftermarket parts for my cars, and to be honest, I've never ever received anything that was well packaged like this before. It really felt like unwrapping Christmas presents. Another thing that I really like is that you can just scan the code with your camera and it sends you right away to the Aerofabb website, where you can find all the installation guides for all of their products. Now let's check out the side splitters. I don't know if you guys can tell from the videos, but the quality is really good. These guys at Aerofabb are doing a great job. I'm really impressed. Now let's put the car up and install them. It should take me no more than 25-30 minutes per each side. Also, make sure you have a drill bit smaller than the screw, because we're gonna need to make pilot holes. Another car jack and a jack stand will really help you if you're installing this by yourself. Make sure you line up everything good before you start drilling. The installation was very easy. You just drill and put the screw in, then repeat. I'll also suggest you to tighten up the screws by hand. I've seen a lot of other GTI owners have the same dent under the side door, but I made it work. You just gotta repeat the same exact process for the other side and you're done. I really love the way it looks. It adds another detail to my car, it makes it more aggressive, and you get a lot for the money. The quality is great. Make sure you subscribe, because in the next video we're going to be installing the Aerofabb V2 front splitter.